I'm very confident that this is going to have a benefit to me. Mentally, I feel a lot brighter, my future feels brighter, and certainly with the help with the guys down in the gym, the physical therapy, I have stretched all the muscles that I haven't been using for a long time in preparation for possibly walking again. Muscles in my legs that I haven't been using, my back, I've certainly been using them, which, as I say before, I hadn't bothered with because there was no going to be a use for them. So my energy levels are great since I've come here. Really, I feel revitalized and full of hope. Before I had stem cell treatment, I had just, my back was fixed in a Glasgow hospital, and I took 6 months in that Glasgow hospital for rehabilitation, mainly preparing me for life in a wheelchair, learning how to transfer in and out of bed, onto chairs, in and out of cars, and generally just being able to run a household, I guess, by myself, being as independent as I could. But there was no real hope for me to do anything more than that. A neighbour of mine, only just last February, March, mentioned, he's in a doctor, and he mentioned the possibility of stem cell treatment. And that same evening, I went onto the internet and I found out about this clinic then. And I think I sent off an inquiry form that same night and just waited for a response, which I must say came very quickly, which I was really happy about. And I think things were up and rolling within a week of my initial contact with my patient coordinator. When I first made my inquiry, it was my patient coordinator was Gabby, and he was excellent. He got straight back to me, gave me the form to fill in, and I filled it in very simply. He sent it back, and he got in touch with the medical centre here, and the response was within a couple of weeks. I think we had most of the information that was required, and then it was down to me to gather all my medical records and get them sent to Gabby, who would do all the paperwork for me, which he did really well. I was very happy with him. Lovely guy. The treatment that I've received here has been a combination of medicine and, I guess, therapy. The medicines have been the stem cells. I've had 4 lumbar punctures and I think 3 intravenous stem cell transplants. Hopefully this will help regenerate the damage done to my spinal cord. With that, I've had vitamins and I think mainly just vitamins, anti-allergy to prepare the body for the stem cells. On top of that, I've had therapies in the gym, physical therapy. I've had acupuncture and also TMS, which is brain stimulation, hopefully going to fire up the signal from the brain to the legs and help things to start moving in the right direction again. And these 2 types of therapies together should hopefully have the result that I'm desperately hoping for. Having met Gabby just online, it was great to meet him here in person. He was in getting the growth factor. They help the stem cells. They improve the properties of the stem cells, improve the work that the stem cells can do. And that's something that I had the first time. This treatment, Gabby was coming in for it now for the first time. So I think he's going to have further stem cell treatment, and this will help his case. These growth factors quite new, so yes, I was really pleased to have been offered those as well. And so the whole thing together, I think, will be a great benefit. And there's always somebody that has got either good English or a smattering of English, and within a day or two we all understood each other perfectly. So the nurses, the doctors, everybody here has been absolutely fantastic, from the consultant right down to the lady that comes in to clean the room. The facilities are out of this world. They are on a par with a 5-star hotel. Beautiful luxury goodies in a bag for you, and towels, the beautiful size of the room, the air conditioning, the food. It is amazing, and I couldn't fault it in any way. None of it. It's a completely private feel to it, not like any ward I've ever been on at home. It's an amazing place, really amazing. I loved it. I haven't wanted to leave my room. It's been that good. Plasma TVs, food, fruit, it's just fantastic. Yeah, I've loved it. I'm really sad to leave. I'm going home tomorrow and I'm going to be really sad to leave. But I have to go. My husband's missing me apparently. You press a buzzer, a silent buzzer, and they answer you immediately. One moment, madam, and then within seconds they're at your door. And you can call them for anything. It doesn't have to be for any medical. You could say, I need could you get me a piece of fruit? They would get that for you. It's beautiful, really beautiful. If anybody was considering stem cell transplant for whatever condition, a transplant could be helpful. I would say go for it. Definitely go for it. Come to this clinic because you will be treated like a celebrity. For want of a better word, you will get the most amazing treatment, the best treatment available. And all right, there's a cost involved, but it's money well spent. You know, you're only here once and your health is very important. So spend the money and get yourself healthy. Take the opportunity of this amazing place, and see what it can do for you. I would have no hesitation in recommending, which I have already done, by the way. I've emailed a couple of people who were in the spinal unit in Glasgow with me. I've emailed them and told them what I'm having done here, and I've already recommended that they take a look, because I certainly do think that it could help them. They were in the same situation as me, so why not, you know? Definitely.